The U.S. Justice Department announcing just within the last few minutes the findings of that pattern and practice investigation into the Louisiana State Police.
Chris Nakamoto rejoins us now with the latest on this. Chris.
Well, Liz and Greg, a very brief statement by the Justice Department noted that state police did in fact engage in a pattern and practice of conduct that violates the Fourth Amendment of the Constitution. The Justice Department says specifically that state police, quote, uses excessive force, including unjustified uses of tasers, escalation of minor incidents, and use of force on people who did not pose a threat. The full 32-page report is just coming to us, so we're still diving into the details. But this comes after years of an investigation that was first launched after several instances of excessive force were brought to light through reports, including those from the WAFB team into the 2019 beating death of Ronald Green. And of course, we're working on getting more information to bring you all the latest information in our newscast. That includes a full breakdown of that report, which is now posted on our website. And just within the last few seconds, Attorney General Liz Murrill and Governor Jeff Landry strongly criticized the DOJ's findings. Those reactions will also be posted on the 9 News app. This is historic news for the state of Louisiana right now. Never before in the history of Louisiana has the Department of Justice opened a pattern and practice investigation into Louisiana State Police. So the fact that they have now concluded that they engaged in a pattern and practice of using excessive force, using those tasers, this is going to have implications for years to come, as state police have already said that they are kind of changing some of their use of force policies. It's really interesting because when we spoke to the Green family earlier this week, they told us that they met with the feds and the feds told them that their son's case was used to kind of enhance the situation. So I'm going to be reaching out to them as well to see if we can get some comments from them. But this is historic news tonight in the state of Louisiana, with the Department of Justice saying that state police engages in a pattern and practice of using excessive force from their findings. This, of course, looked back years in cases that state police had investigated, and this was not something that they took lightly. They started this investigation in June of 2022, I should say, and so this was 2.5 years in the making, and I don't think it's a coincidence that this news is coming out just days before a new president is sworn in.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Chris, for that. We appreciate it. Thank you. And our I-team will be looking at that. Again, you can go read the report right now, WAFB.com and on our 9 News app. Appreciate it.